There is so much that you get for free with MarketHive's inbound marketing platform, social network systems, commerce portals. I've narrowed it down to just a simple list that I'm going to simply narrate. At the free membership level, you're going to get a content marketing platform, which includes blogging, broadcasting, WordPress plugins, so you can set up WordPress to receive your content from MarketHive. Just like you can set up medium.com to receive content from your WordPress. Do it the other way around. We do both. Social subscriptions, which allow you to set up all your social accounts and broadcast to them, but also subscribe to other people's content and allow them to broadcast to them as well, creating a very powerful network. A curation system. And you can go out there and find content on other digital content sites, their RSS feeds, and subscribe to them and have them create a portfolio of content for you to be able to edit it, combine it, and build unique blogs based on that. Email marketing. Our email marketing has a 97% delivery rate. That means 97% to the inbox of your intended lead connections. So compared to other name brands out there, they have a 40 to 70% delivery to the account. The rest of it's blocked, and about a 40 to 60% to the inbox of that 40 to 70% that's delivered. So that's a rate of about 30 to 40% of the inbox. This is why you hear all the time, oh yeah, the system sent you email, but check your spam folder. Well, that's almost unheard of in MarketHive. Our autoresponders, our campaigns, there's no limit. They're just as good, if not better, than all the leading systems out there. They do the same thing. They're easy to maintain, but you have no limit. It's free. You want 1, 5, 10, 500, 5,000. You have 50 email contacts, 50,000, 500 million. It's free with MarketHive. Your email broadcasting system allows you to send off a one-time email broadcast to one of your groups, all of your groups. You'll be able to send it off to, if you have 50,000 people in your systems, you can send it off all to them as often as you want. You have lead funnel systems, capture pages. There are systems out there, lead capture page systems out there that charge $50, $100, $200, $300 a month for systems that are not as good as ours. Ours are far better. And ours give you widgets to put them on your own domain. We give you permalinks to have them hosted on our system. Your lead funnels include profile pages. You have a profile page, a default profile page. You can send people to sign up for MarketHive and get them as a lead, and as a friend and an associate if you've upgraded to Entrepreneur. It's one of the few things. Entrepreneur upgrade enhances some of this stuff. You have the ability to create unlimited capture pages. You can create capture pages using our templates, or you can use our widgets and put them on your own custom-made capture pages. And you have survey systems. You'll be able to set up a survey system. Put it on your phone, put it on your tablet, send it off, put it in your social networks, social markets, put them in your website. We have a lead management system where you have cross-social networking, where in our lead management system, we also capture their social networks and allow you to communicate to them through their social networks as well as through their email. You're able to manage them, combine them, create groups, sort them out from geo or what website they came through, a capture page system. We capture for you your email, phone, chat, text, geo, location, addresses, all that. Social networks are collected in the process of this. And that's part of our lead nurturing, is that in our lead nurturing, as you set up your MarketHive account, it's to your benefit for you to put all your social networks into it, because our system will market to them. But by doing that, the person who you signed up with, the mentor, your associate, or your associates that sign up through you in the Entrepreneur program, you have all that connection, all that information only to you. Their phone number, chatting, texting, their social accounts, reaching out to them through that. And that's part of what lead nurturing does. Our SEO, content-rich profiles. Your profiles get linked to the top of the search engines very quickly. Your profile page acts as a linked hub. You get permalinks for your blog posts. So your blog posts get listed at the top of the search engines, and you can publish your blog post to the social networks very effectively. Same with your capture pages with permalinks. Videos, images, and calendars are all part of your system, and they also help in your effective SEO campaigns. And all of our pages are robot friendly. Conference rooms. We are in between conference rooms at the time of this recording. Our new conference rooms are coming shortly. And each member has their own conference room and widgets for their WordPress. An avatar engine. So you don't have to show your mug. You can show the avatar talking for you. System tutorials. Step-by-step system tutorials for each aspect, with the most important to begin, incentivized, gamified, and pay you to take our tutorials. Completion badges. So as you complete your tutorials, you are given a avatar badged, kind of like a degree to show the level of what you understand in our system. Our social media, private social network. We are very private. We're on a blockchain. What you do in Market Hive, you can keep very private from the outside world. Or you can make it public. It's up to you. We have a group messaging system that is being built to also go into our wallets, so that your wallet for your coins, once the wallet is launched, you'll be able to pull the coins out of Market Hive and send it into the exchanges, which we're already on. Our blockchain's already built. Our coin is already active. We don't have tokens. We have coins. And so part of that group messaging will work on your wallet, kind of like Telegram or Line. You can communicate with your wallet just like you do with Telegram. But your wallet also is your KYC and your 2FA and your exchanging. Unlike anything else, it's very proprietary, powerful stuff. Strategic collaboration. No other system offers the collaboration that we do. So let's say that you've gone over to one of the other inbound marketing platforms. I'll say Marketel because it's became well known because it just sold for $4.75 billion to Adobe. Very similar to what we have, blogging platform, broadcasting capabilities, capture pages, funnels, autoresponders, emails, tracking, all that kind of stuff. So we have the same thing here. But what's great about what you have here is you can get into a group. The owner of that group can create all the tools you need, capture pages, PDFs, all that. You can all work together on producing blogs. You can set up rotators so that as a group, you can go out there with a lot more leverage, and if you do a co-op, a lot more money to be able to create a campaign to bring in a lot more revenue that's shared amongst the group. You can't do that anywhere else, only here. Campaign management and co-op, all included in our system. Website rotators, website tracking, asset maps, backlink tracker. Let's talk about, probably you know what all those are. If you went outside to buy those would cost you $200-300 a month. They're all free for life with us. But the backlink tracker and asset map are very powerful. What the backlink tracker allows you to do is all of your WordPress, all of your social networks, anything that you join, whether it's a social bookmarking system like Digo or an Amazon account, whatever it is, backlink tracker, you name it, you put it into a group, you take a note on where it's pointing to, you put in your username, password, it's all encrypted, and it'll keep track. It'll let you know if that backlink is active or not. Turn red or green. If it's active, it's green. If it's not active, it's red. Groups. We have an attendance monitor. You know if that person in your group is effective, if they're logging in, if they're active, if they're doing things. They get rated, kind of like a social culture credit score. You know how active and effective they are. If they're logging in all the time, if they're publishing, they're producing, if they got traffic coming in, etc. So you can sort your group of effective members in your co-op and weed out the ones who aren't doing anything. Nowhere else has this. We have self-replicating capture pages in our groups. So let's say you join my group and you want to advertise and promote on bidder.io, which happens to be a very effective site, bringing in lots and lots of really high quality associates. And you just go in there, you click on the link for For web pages, you have a choice of 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. Choose one of them, promote it, boom. You don't have to worry about building anything. It's just already there for you, ready to go. Self-replicating campaigns. Same with surveys, PDFs, and blogs. All of that is in the groups. It's all collaboration enhanced so that if one person can produce 100 leads, 10 people can produce 20,000 leads, 100 people can produce 200,000 leads. It is an exponential effect. Privacy. Yeah, that's included with what we do. We do not track you. We do not use cookies. We do not store your personal information. We don't put little hidden pixels and things in the emails we send out to see if you open up the mail or not. All of our nurturing and all of our tracking and everything that we do for your benefit is done within the walls of MarketHive, not outside. And all with your permission. And if you are not happy with us and you want to just end your relationship, we have a button. It's called the nuke button. It deletes everything. Everything. We don't keep track of it. We're not interested. Unlike the other social networks. We're not selling your data because we don't have your data. Only you do. Our marketplace is integrated into our ecosystem. Our commerce portals like Freelancer and Text and Hive Broker and Big Caboodle. All these commerce portals allow you to conduct commerce without any processing fees. There's no regulations. There's no process fees. It's just a place that you can attract customers and you guys can conduct business anywhere, anyhow you want. The only caveat is you can only conduct business as a seller as an upgraded to entrepreneur. As a buyer, you have to be a MarketHive member, but that's free. And it's all linked into our wallet and into our exchange. We have an exchange as well. We haven't launched it yet, but we will be soon. Our wallet, it gives you an encrypted key so that every time you log into MarketHive, once we launch this wallet, the wallet will give you a code, a 2FA, to prove that it's you to come in. When the wallet is released, and if you want to monetize your site with our coin, you'll have to do KFC, know your customer, anti-money laundering. That means you have to upload your passport or government ID. It gets approved. Then all that information is put on your wallet, and your wallet gets like a 138 character encryption code that connects us to your wallet so that we can access your content if need be for whatever legal purpose is. If you decide that you don't want that to happen, you can just nuke your system and it all goes away. We don't store it. It's stored on your wallet. Nobody does this. We do, because we believe your privacy is exactly what that is, your privacy. Our airdrops. We will be having airdrops for the duration of our system. Infinity airdrops. Every new person who signs up is going to get coin. How many coin they get will fluctuate. As the value of our coin goes up, the amount of coins we give away goes down. You, as an entrepreneur upgrade, get a matching bonus. So if we give away 500 coins and you're an entrepreneur, you get 500 coins from that person signed up through you. If you are just a free member and somebody comes in and signs up, we give them 500 coins. You don't get any coins, but you are still getting that associate in a closed system that's not, you can't access an entrepreneur. But as soon as you upgrade to entrepreneur, then you get the matching coin drop. Pretty cool, pretty innovative. Micropayments. Once you have referred 3, it activates the universal income micropayments. It turns everything you do in MarketHive into a faucet. Make a blog, get paid. Make a comment, get paid. Send out an email, get paid. Make a capture page, get paid. Get people signing up as associates, get paid. Get paid for everything you do. Your profile page is a unique vanity URL. It's SEO searchable. You can make everything on your profile page available for anybody who's not logged in to see it. Your resume, your blogs, your videos, your content. You can decide to have all of that available or parts of it available or none of it available. It depends on what you want to do. It makes it very, very powerful in SEO. Our Alexa ranking continues to improve beyond expectations. Our ranking with Google and other search engines is very high. We have extremely good results in the SEO. And this, what I just shared with you, is what you get for free. It's free for life. Want to know about the Entrepreneur Program? There's links around here that'll tell you what it is. Thanks. Really do appreciate your patronage and loyalty and coming on board. I hope I meet you soon. Thank you.